Hello Medicos. Today this is my first video on YouTube. Before I uploaded my handwritten notes on Instagram. So please support my channel if you will like my video. Today I will start from pharmacology, general pharmacology. After uploading every video, I will also uploaded questions related to previous videos. Those are important or those asked in previous exam paper like FMG, NEET PG, AIMS PG, JIPMER PG. Okay, so be active. So I will now start from general pharmacology. General pharmacology. First of all, we define pharmacology and pharmacy definition. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is a branch of medicine in which we study about drugs. And what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is the science about drugs structure, properties, making and bringing to the patients. Now I will discuss about the branches. Branches of pharmacology included pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, pharmacotoxicity, and pharmacotherapy. Now, what is difference between pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics? Like we consider this is the body and this is the drugs. Body and drugs. When effect of body on drugs are called pharmacokinetics, and when drugs effect on the body are called pharmacodynamics. Okay, this is the difference. What is pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics? Now I will cover what is pharmacotoxicity. Pharmacotoxicity is the called adverse effect of the drug are called pharmacotoxicity, and pharmacotherapy is the treatment of the disease with medication are called pharmacotherapy. In future I will discuss pharmacotherapy and pharmacotoxicity in details. Now I will start from the pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics it deals with the absorptions, distributions, metabolism, and elimination of drugs. Now, okay, I will start from absorptions. Absorption of drugs. Absorption of drug from the gastrointestinal tract to the blood. First, we take a acid unionized form. When acid unionized form converted passes through the membrane and it is converted into the acid ionized form. And when base is ionized form, when passes through the membrane, then it becomes the base unionized form. This is the absorption of the drug. What is the distribution of the drug? Distribution of the drug mostly occur by the two process. First is the specific, non-specific, and second is the specific process. Non-specific process mostly occur by the albumin and globulin protein, and specific process mostly occur by the many channels process like cyanocobalamin transport by the transcobalamin. Iron is transported by the transferrin and copper is transported by the ceruloplasmin. Third process is the metabolism of the drug. Metabolism of the drugs is called metabolism of drug mostly occur by the liver. Most of the drug are inactivated by the metabolism. And fourth process is the elimination of the drugs. Elimination of the drugs mostly occur by liver, kidneys, lungs, glands, and gastrointestinal tract of the body. Now in this diagram I discussed all four process. Like first of all where drug at the site of the administration, then absorption of the drug occur. Absorption of the drug mostly occur by in the drug in the plasma. After that these from the plasma to the tissue and from tissue to the plasma exchange occur is called distribution of the drugs. After the distribution, metabolism of the drugs occur in metabolites in the tissues and the liver, and after that elimination of the drug occur by the different part of the body like in the kidney by liver, by kidney, by lungs, and mostly occur in the urine, feces, and biles. Now I will discuss pharmacodynamics. What is pharmacodynamics? It act by physical, chemical stimulation or inhibition. Inhibition is the main like many process like competitive, non-competitive, reversible, and irreversible process. In this diagram now I will discuss both pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetics. First you will remember always ADME. What is ADME? A for absorption, D for distribution, M for metabolism, and X for E for excretion. Excretion of the, it is called pharmacokinetics. What is pharmacodynamics? Pharmacodynamics is the activity of drugs on the body are called pharmacodynamics. Route of drug administration. Route of drug administration mostly divided into the two part, local and systemic. Local type subdivided into the topical type, intrathecal and intraarticular. What is topical? Topical is the when the administration of the drug through the skin and mucous membrane are called topical. And what is intrathecal? Intrathecal occur in the subarachnoidal space, like in the spinal cord. Subarachnoidal space occur in the brain, and intraarticular occur between the joints of the bone, joint between the bones. What is the systemic? Systemic is divided into the internal and parenteral. What is internal? Internal mostly occur by the peroral, sublingual way to through the tongues, and rectal and through the probes. And what is parenteral? Parenteral mostly occur by the injection, inhalation, intracavity and application. What is through the injection main from the different part, like intramuscular, intracutaneous, subcutaneous, intravenous, intraarterial and intraosseous. Like in nasal way we give the drop and spray. Inhalation like dry powder or liquid spray. In oral we give the many type through the many way. In ocular, like I will in this diagram I gave all, like rectal and vaginal way, parenteral way, topical and the transdermal. Now I will discuss about the angle for administration of the injection. For different angle we give for different, like intramuscular injection we give at the angle of 90 degree. Subcutaneous injection we give at the angle for 45 degree. Intravenous injection 25 degree, and intradermal injection 10 to 15 degree. Intramuscular injection we will give in the muscles, and subcutaneous injection in the subcutaneous tissue. Intravenous injection vein and the dermis layer of the skins, and intradermal injection in the epidermis. So mostly we consider the three main types of injection included: subcutaneous, intramuscular and intravenous. Subcutaneous into the fat layer between the skins and the muscles is called subcutaneous injections. And intramuscular injection we give now 90 degree, at 90 deep into the muscles layer, deep occur into the muscles layer. And intravenous injection I discussed, given at the 25 degree, mostly occur through the veins, in the dermis layer of the skin. Now I will discuss some important term when drug repeated for long time. When drug repeated for long time, then many effect occur, like accumulation of the drug occur, absence or withdrawal syndrome, tolerance, tachyphylaxis and sensitization. What is cumulation? Cumulation is the accumulation of the drugs, called cumulation. There are two types: material cumulation and functional cumulation. What is absence or withdrawal syndrome? Absence or withdrawal syndrome when a person taking drug for a long time, and after that he stop taking drug, he or she stop taking drug, then withdrawal syndrome occur to him or her. What is tolerance? Tolerance is additional or resistance of the to the drug. Like I take example, when a person take 1 milligram of the medicine for any problem, like then after sometimes it has a resistance to this, and it required more additional amount of the drug, like 2 milligram, 3 milligram for same effect of the drug. These are called tolerance or tolerance or additional amount of the drug required, or resistance of the drug. What is tachyphylaxis? Tachy means fast, phylaxis means protection. Fast protection is called tachyphylaxis. Sensitization is the idiosyncrasy. This is the genetically problem occur. Some people consider that the tolerance and tachyphylaxis are the same. But there are some difference between the tolerance and tachyphylaxis. Tolerance is the requirement of higher dose of the drug to produce a response, is called tolerance, and it occur for a long time. Its tolerance occur for a long time. And tachyphylaxis is rapid decrease in response to a repeated dose. When rapid decrease in response to a repeated dose, these are called tachyphylaxis, and it occur for a short time. So these are the difference between the tolerance and tachyphylaxis. Always remember this, because most of some student or teachers also discuss that the tolerance and tachyphylaxis are the same, but there are some difference between them. What is adverse effect of the drug? Adverse effect of the drug like toxicity, allergy, mutagenic, teratogenic, phytotoxicity, embryotoxicity. Mostly when the females are in the pregnancy, and when it take a drug, then teratogenic, embryotoxicity or phytotoxicity occur to the babies. These are the adverse effect of the drug. I discussed in this diagram in funny way, like when adverse effect of like anxiety, vomiting, kidney failure occur, sexual problem occur, and the skin reaction, dizziness, insomnia, and restless. These all are the adverse effect of the drug. Thank you so much, medicos, for watching my videos. I will try to do better than this in next videos, because it's my first video, so I nervous sometimes. So please keep support, subscribe and share my channel, and press the bell icon for the forget the notification for the next video. Thank you so much.